Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
So you can see total 3 records. Some of the code failed. Okay, so this is something which we have validated. Now again, we need to choose the file and scroll down. Select the location and just import it. Okay, once it is being done, just go here and just refresh the page. Okay, so I am selecting the location here. So, apart from JP, what was the other location? Joe, right? Yeah. Let me see. You can see, Joe, for it is showing right which we have imported. Correct. Am I correct? This is the another method, so I am going with LC. And this is for the Apple, right? You can see, the Apple is also created here. Okay. What was another one called the right? So you can see call by some updated here. So in this way, 2 methods we have learned today for creating the records for the foundation. One is manage the project structure, from where you can create the records for all these or any of these foundation objects. And you can maintain those records here and we can search for that record. Create it in the record from here. And for another way is to this one, that is, import foundation data, as you can able to upload multiple records at a time with the help of import foundation data. So for that we need to download the template. We need to update that template and we need to import that template for that particular objects by selecting the particular import type. Generally, when we are going on a real-time basis, we will be going with an incremental load, not with the full load. Okay. In special cases, they will be going with the full load. Otherwise, we will be going with the incremental load. Okay. So using the file and going with the file encoding as you TF it. And we are importing it. We are going in cross-checking it. How we are done the checking here.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.